We're starting at the top. This is June 21st, maybe. I don't know. It's a Friday. And we're doing blues, and they're so excited to do the blues. They've already started. This is what our blues basic looks like. And this basic that they're doing can go really slow, or it can go medium. Yep, exactly. But the blues won't really usually ever be super fast. After our basic, left and right, then we had our triple press. So it's press and go, something hot or sharp, press and go, press and go, press and go. Awesome. After our presses, then we had our drop and raise, up pulse and down pulse. So step over the turtle, collapse the spine, step over the turtle, collapse, up and down. Sorry, I gave you earthquake camera there. And then the other one was kind of a scoop and pop. That's our pour and pop there. Yep, hip goes out to the side. Awesome. You guys are all looking great. Nope, no editing. You guys are going on live. This is awesome. All right, after we had all of our pours and pops, then we added our twist turn, our blues twist, pull, catch, route, reroute, bring them back in front. A+. Nice turn, catch them, nice job. Very cool. Awesome. And after that, we did our tachyanies, which is our foot goes back and the other side. Ba, do, da, ba, ba, do, da, bum, bum, ba, dum, bum. Nice. Okay, after our tachyanies, then we did our lariat. That's another twisty move. We twist, we pull them around the circle, leaders go under, catch them. Awesome. Yeah. All right, give them a hand, Internet. They survived the review. Great job. You guys are wonderful. We'll see you next time.